Hi, welcome to my channel. Today we have Leetcode 394, decode string. So this question is quite long, so you can look at this description. And the basic idea, you can take a look at this example right here. It's really intuitive. So now we have an input string as, the string look like this, and everything in the bracket is the character. So the character on the left side, we have a 3 integer. That means that we will have 3 times of everything in this bracket. In this case, now you see 3, you have 3 A's in here. So after this is done, look at the right side. So you have 2 BZ string. So we have BZ. So in example 2, now you see 3 times of this whole thing right here. So what this whole thing? Let's take a look. So now you see the A first. Okay, write 8 here. And you see 2. So 2 would be times this C right here. So become ACC as this bracket right here is ACC. So now look at this integer on the left side. So we have 3 ACC combined together as output. So this is the idea. And I'm not going to go over this one because it's really similar. 2 times ABC, 3 times CD and EF combined together, output. And that's the idea. So every time you see the bracket, most of the time it's really related to the stack. So now we can use the stack as the solution for this one. But you can see, if you see 3 here, put it to stack. And then if you see a bracket here, put it to stack. So I'll put stack like this. So imagine 7 is a stack. So you put 3 in here and you have a bracket followed by that and put A in here. So only when the thing is a right bracket, when you see the right bracket, then what you need to do is search the stack right now. The stack peak is right here. So we get this one as a character right here. This is a character we get until you see the left bracket. So everything before after left bracket will be the character. So at this case, we have A, and then we're done. And then after the left bracket search, we also search again for the integer we have. So we check this character is digit or not. We got all the digit and as a count. So we have something like this. And we have count as 3 characters like A. So we have to loop through 3 times to build this AA. Become AAA as a for loop for 3 times. Now we have AAA inside the stack. So now AA inside stack. Now we look at this 2 BC. So I have 2 open bracket left side. BC, no problem. Only when you see the right bracket, okay, do something. Now we break this down, find the string right here, BC, until we see the left bracket, it's done. And now we search for digit. Now we have 2 as digit. So that means you have to loop through 2 times. So we'll build a for loop for 2 times to put this back to the stack. BC back to the stack. One more time, BC back to the stack. This is how we solve this problem. Now we have the stack looks like this right now. We pop everything out in order to build as a string and then output that string. And that's the idea. So let's take a look at the code. The code will be really long and let's get ready. So now we need a stack of character stack. So it's a new stack. We have the stack ready. So we need to loop through the whole entire string for every character. Character C in s.to character array. Now we loop through the whole entire character, entire string for their character. So we check, we only care if it's not, C is not right bracket. If it's not right bracket, then we add that to the stack. Push. Right, we put everything in the stack. So when is right bracket, then we need to do things. Like what we mentioned, we start with building a string builder. We have character equal to new string builder. So we will see the stack. So currently the stack will look like this. 3 open bracket A. So we need to loop through if the stack is not empty. I mean stack is empty. If it's not empty, and character is letter. Okay, it's letter. So we're looking for stack.peak, which is here. If this is not, is the stack still there, and the peak is not, I mean, if letters, then we put that into the string builder, insert it to the front. Yeah, insert it to the front. So stack.pop. So pop out this character right here until we find the whole entire string that we need to do. So this is this while loop. This while loop is done. So now we have a string called temporary character. So equal to ca.toString. And now we have we looking like this. The stack will look like this. What we need to do is pop out stack, pop out the left bracket. Now we have the temporary character as A, and we'll pop out this one. What we need to do is looking for the digit on the left. So how do we look at the digit in the left? So we have digit equal to, actually we need to make a string builder digit equal to new string builder. So now also we need to have a while loop. Stack is not empty. Same as the one before, so I just copy it. Vector is digit right here. Checking digit stack dot peak. So ca dot insert 0 stack dot pop. The idea is same as the previous one. Now we have string builder that capture the digit right now. So we have integer. We need an integer int as a count equal to integer dot value of value of, now we have digit dot toString become a string, and then capture that value to the integer as a count. So now we have count, we have temporary character. So two things. So we need to put that two things back to the stack, which is while count bigger than 0, we need to do a for loop. Let me think. I think oh yes, stack. To break it down again, we have to break it down. So we have to break that by so we have temporary character dot to character array. Break this temporary character down and put that back to the stack. And after putting back that, then count should be minus minus. Count is equal to count minus 1. And now we have everything in the stack just by using this for loop. It's quite long. I mean, we're getting there. Now we finish this for loop. We have everything in the stack right now. And now we have to build a string builder. BIFDER for output. It's new string builder. So we have everything in the stack now. So while stack is not empty, so we'll put those in the front. Output insert. We need to put it in the front. Stack.pop. So now after this while loop, we should capture everything inside the output string builder. And what we need to do is return this output as a string to string. And it's quite long. And let's see, let's run if you have anything. Number 6, 38. Oh, okay, I have things here. I don't know why. String. If it's empty, let me debug a little bit. Give me a second. Okay, I think I found a problem because I have a digit right here. So the digit right here should be adding the wrong variable. And let's run it one more time to see if it's working. Cool. Finally, yes. Let's submit it. And that's it for this solution. And I'll expand it one more time so you can see it clearly. Now this is the whole entire code right here, and you can take a look at it. Hopefully that solved the problem. So if you have any question, please comment it below, and I would love to hear your feedback. And then I will see you next time. Bye-bye.